Now disconnect the connector, push down on the tab, and slide it out. There's a little tab right there. I'm just going to disconnect this connector just to have more room. You don't necessarily have to disconnect this one. Just push on the tab. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Push on the tab and slide it out. There's the tab right there. Now take this bolt out. I'm going to use an 8mm socket. Slide that out. You can slide this cover off. Just slides down. Then just grab the assembly and just twist it to the left and slide it down. Now the new blower motor assembly may have a screw right here. You want to take that screw out, just like that. Leave that panel on there. Take the blower motor and just try to get this started and lock it in place, and take this cover and slide it in position and take the screw, get the screw started and snug it up. That's good. Reconnect the resistor connector right there and reconnect the blower motor.